Hi everybody, my name is Joshua. I have an information for you from the Bank of Industry, which reported that the Nigerian paint industry will have a 5% growth from $268 million in 2020 to $377 million by the year 2025. And the local paint consumption has been projected to grow from 391.75 million liters into 1 billion liters by the year 2025. This is a great deal. My name is Joshua once again, and I would want to encourage you to come and learn how to make paint. I am a paint producer and I've been into this for over 6 years, and I can confidently tell you that I know the in and out of paint production and painting itself. So anybody needs paint, everybody needs paint. If your house is wearing out and you want to renovate, you need to paint. If the outlook of your house is not really friendly again, you need to paint. And who are those that can benefit from this? Probably you have a little amount of money that you want to invest into something and you don't even really know what you want to invest your money into. I'm telling you that with the information we have from the Bank of Industry, it is a great deal for anybody to come into the painting business right now. Because if you have a future sight, then you will know that there is a great deal in this for everyone that is into paint production. And to crown it all up, I will tell you that the kind of paint I'm going to teach you is the standard one, which is presentable anywhere in Nigeria, anywhere in Africa, probably anywhere in the world. When you present it, it will not be turned down. Yes, so for this reason, I want to encourage you that you come into you enroll for this class. You enroll for this class and you take part in this course. See you in class. Thank you.